You said deport Dooley?
Oh, no, that's a good save. Right?
This started off bad, bro. Oh no no, they're not hiding the crash, bro. They're gonna be open about it, bro. They're not gonna hide it.
Man, those should be fucking niggas now. Oh, you see, oh, I thought we were gonna. Oh,
in that license.
where's license? I don't even see him no more.
Yeah, license is 14 years old. Oh my god. Bro. That was such an unfortunate situation. Look at the top left. Look at the top left.
I didn't see him no more.
Oh, he posted on TikTok? Yeah, that was the original angle. Yo, look what Dooley takes out of the, look what he takes with him. Got bread. Oh, I'll read that right now, Habibi.
Damn, guys. They got us fucked up.
Yo, Habibi. Habibi said swim can't cut up and endanger people, but dually and license can because they post the crash. Makes a lot of sense, bro. Yeah, you're calling me a hypocrite. Bro, we all know Dooley should never drive. He should never be allowed to drive a car, bro. Dooley should not be able to be on the roads, bro. We all know this. Like, Dooley should not be driving a car. Like, this is a given fact, bro. Yeah, this is common knowledge, bro. I don't need to spread awareness about Dooley, bro. Like, if you see Dooley driving, get the fuck away from him, bro. Swim is the one going on podcasts acting all like, well, we have never ever crashed a car in our lifetime ever because we are superior drivers and we make proper calculations. You don't see Dooley crashing 10 times a week and then telling YouTube he's the top driver. This was like 2 days ago, bro. Yeah, he broke his nose. M-Box broke his nose. Look. He said it was, I mean, shit, that's either from the accident or that's from fucking Quan dick smacking him. What do you guys think? It was Quan? It was Quan. It was Quan. Smacked him right across the nose and broke that shit.